people really needed to get on a call with a support person, walk them through the onboarding, walk them through different functions, because you can hang yourself in the platform if you don't really know what you're doing. And so it needed a lot of manual handholding. And so that for the longest time was just the biggest blocker for us to be able to do this. Is you're doing a PLG motion and it's low cost, you've got to cut the costs out of the delivery. And oftentimes people costs are the highest cost in delivery. And so we also just had general product blockers in until this last year. And we actually fixed those because we saw a lot of our customers were just using our services and not doing the work themselves. And so we actually made the decision to make it easier to use based on that. When we were thinking like, wow, we're having some churned customers. The churning customers were the ones that were just using services and not actually logged into the platform and using it. And so it was kind of like this other issue that we solved kind of paved the path to us being able to offer a PLG motion. And so that was just another serendipitous, wow, the words are coming to me. Yeah, let's do this. That's another serendipitous moment that was just like things coming together at the right time to let us do something new.